Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about GR Lifestyle Interim Report. GR Lifestyle Company Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various locations. The company's primary operations include property development and investment property management services, plus office buildings, plus residential properties, plus car parks, heat supply and maintenance services, plus heat exchange stations, plus pipeline networks general management services, plus repair and maintenance of buildings, plus fire safety equipment, plus facilities for residential and commercial property projects. GR Lifestyle stock price skyrockets. What's behind the surge? The stock price of GR Lifestyle, HKG 108, has skyrocketed by over 577.19% in the past year, despite the company facing a decline in revenue and operating at a loss. Several recent developments have contributed to investor interest and the soaring stock price. One key factor is the improvement in profitability, with a significant increase in profit before tax and attributable to shareholders, indicating an improvement in financial performance at the profit level. The inclusion of GR Lifestyle in the S&P Global BMI Index has also boosted its profile, attracting more institutional investors and increasing demand for its shares. Additionally, the company's potential acquisition of a digital medical services company signals strategic diversification into new business ventures, perceived positively by the market. Significant insider ownership, with individual insiders holding approximately 49% of the company's shares, may also suggest strong confidence in the company's future prospects. These factors have likely driven investor sentiment and forward-looking expectations, fueling the current valuation despite the decline in revenue. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline for a company can be attributed to two key factors: revenue from contracts with customers and gross rental income from investment property. A 0.7% increase in revenue from contracts with customers is a positive indicator, while a significant 9.6% decrease in gross rental income from investment property is a major concern. These two factors have the most substantial impact on the company's overall revenue growth or decline. The company's financial performance indicates mixed signals regarding its ability to generate positive operating cash flow. While the net cash flow used in operating activities, page 33, and the significant decrease in cash and cash equivalents, $98,465,000, page 34, suggest negative operating cash flow. Other indicators such as a positive operating profit of $402,000, page 9, and asset and liability trends that imply positive operating cash flow, page 40, raise doubts. The conflicting information makes it unclear whether the company is generating positive or negative operating cash flow. The company's financial health has undergone significant changes over the past year. A review of the debt level reveals a notable increase from $3,290,961 in 2024 to $3,489,159 in 2025, with bank and other borrowings rising by $189,327. Furthermore, interest expenses have surged by $644,000, reaching $53,341,000 in 2025. This substantial increase is attributed to the addition of new loans with varying interest rates. These changes indicate a significant shift in the company's financial obligations and expenses. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions. The property management segment stood out as a strong performer, generating $94,632,000 in revenue. In contrast, the property development and investment segment struggled, with a lower revenue of $76,091,000. Geographically, China was a notable success story, with the company managing 20 major residential and commercial property projects. Los Angeles and London also showed promise, with thriving property markets. However, there is no information available on regions or segments that underperformed. Management is outlining a forward-thinking strategy to drive the company's growth. Key initiatives include expanding into international markets, increasing investment in property management and related services, and building an integrated ecosystem that combines real estate with digital healthcare solutions. This approach aims to provide comprehensive healthy living solutions for families worldwide, positioning the company for long-term success. That concludes the financial summary for GR Lifestyle. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.